this is Diana with AED Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Physio-Control LifePak CR Plus charge pack and pads. Let's see how it's done. We're going to start by replacing your pads. You can press down on the yellow on-off switch and lift the black lid.
Call for help now. Remove all clothing from
For
patient's
the purpose
chest.
of this video, we have muted the device so that you can hear my instructions. You'll pull out the gray tab and slide out the black anchor pin and throw your old pads away. You'll take your new pads, slide in the black anchor pin, position the pads under the black tab, and plug in the gray tab. Make sure that your expiration date is in the top right-hand corner so it'll be visible through the lid's window. Close the lid until you hear a snap. Now we'll move on to the charge pack. It is located on the side of the device, the bottom. You'll press down on its tab and it should pop right out. You'll need to recycle your old charge pack. Take your new charge pack, slide it into the device until you hear a click. And congratulations, you've now replaced your pads and charge pack, and your device should be rescue ready. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any other questions, give us a call, because we're in it for life.